We're standing at the dawn of a new era. The age of connected intelligence has arrived, and it is revolutionizing the way we live. In the near future, intelligence will be everywhere. It will permeate every aspect of our lives, connecting everything we do. LS Vision, leading the way in the intelligent era. It brings new perspectives and discoveries, redefining industries, businesses, and experiences. Now is the time to rethink new possibilities through cross-industry innovation to create new products and services, leveraging the power of data to enhance our lives. From design sketches to large-scale production, we foster and accelerate innovation. We develop new products, giving us a competitive edge. By utilizing cross-industry technology, scaling production, we bring products to market quickly. We create intelligent components that make smart security possible. With smart recognition and alert features, safety is fully visible. Around the clock, we protect you with comprehensive security solutions. We design and manufacture intelligent products, embedding sustainability into product engineering and manufacturing. For us, this is not only the right thing to do, but the smart thing to do. We work tirelessly to ensure that every node in our supply chain meets rigorous environmental standards. We believe in a sustainable future. Every effort we make today helps make the world a better place. LS Vision for a better world.